Who actually has the most accurate transcription in 2026? We put 18 apps through a massive 45-hour real-world accuracy test. We ignored the spec sheets. We tested Zoom calls, university lectures, and noisy cafes across different accents and devices to find the truth. The results? AI is closing the gap. Top models now hit over 99% accuracy on clean audio, but things get messy when crosstalk and background noise join in. For solo users, VoiceToNotes.ai is the winner. It's built for capturing ideas and lectures with zero bloat and a price that's hard to beat. For teams, Otter.ai is the standard. It joins your calls automatically, though it still struggles when multiple people talk at once. Podcasters and creators should look at Descript. Its edit by text feature is a game changer, even if it is heavy on your system resources. Need absolute privacy or legal-grade accuracy? Jamie.ai and Rev are your top choices for confidential client work and human-verified results. Choose the tool that fits your workflow. For the full data breakdown and accuracy charts, check the link in the description. Audit complete.